Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It is Luke here from CL Lighting. Today, I would like to introduce our Smart Magnetic Ambient Light to you. This product is mainly used in bedroom, living room, and TV background wall light, and it can be worked as camping light. I will show you something. Let's get started. First of all, now open the box. This is the LED body and the 5 voltage USB charging cable. And here is the base, and this is instruction manual. I will teach you how to operate and use it. There's a magnetic needle, and there's a built-in magnet at the bottom, and the lamp body can be directly attached to the base. You can see like this. The super large capacity rechargeable battery can work for 6 hours to 24 hours after being fully charged, and it can be used as a net light all night, and it is lightweight. Short price to turn on and off the light. See? And the price and hold for more than 5 seconds. The product will enter red light flashing mode, which is entering period mode. I hope this video is helpful, and see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.